Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back. Welcome to the last lesson in chapter 1. It will be about subtracting 2 and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's go. But first, remember, this is the minus sign. When you see this sign, you have to take the small number from the big number. Subtracting using a place value money math. Ones. Express each number with its place value money model. Then you will notice that you can't take a bigger number away from a smaller number in the ones place, so we will regroup. But remember, 10 ones equal 110. 10 ones equal 110. Example, 172 LE minus 45 LE. First, I will draw the place value money math. Okay, but in the minus, I draw just for the big number and one for the answer. Okay, to represent 172, this is the big number here. So I will draw in the ones 2 and in tens 7 and in hundreds 1. Okay, now I want to take 5 ones from 2 ones. It can be. I can take 5 from 2. So I have to make regrouping. How? Here I will go to the tens place. Okay, and I will take 110 from here. And I will put it here in the ones as 10 ones. Like that. Okay. Now we have here 10 ones. So here now in the ones I have, all the ones I have now will be these 2 and the new 10. So we have here 12 ones. And in tens, now we have 7. No, we have just 6. And in hundreds will be the same, just 100. Now I will begin subtracting. So I need to cancel 5 ones from these 12 ones. Let's cancel 5 ones from here. And in the tens, I have to cancel 4 because 40 and 45. So I will cancel 4 tens from here. The rest with me will be 7 in the ones place. And in tens, the rest with me will be 2 tens, and the hundreds will be the same, 100. So 172 minus 45 will be equal to 127 LE. Another example, 384 LE minus 159 LE. I will draw the place value money math for the big number and one for the answer. Now I want to represent the 384. So in the ones I will draw 4 ones, and in tens 8 tens, and in hundreds 300. Okay, I wanted to take from the ones here 9 because 159. I can't take 9 from 4. So what I'll have to do, have to make regrouping. How? I will go to the tens and I will take 110 from here and put it in the ones place as 10 ones. So now we have all the ones we have now will be 14 ones, 14 in the ones. And in tens, we have now 8. No, we cancelled 1. So we will have now 7 tens in the tens place. And the hundreds will be the same. So 300. No problem in that. Now I can make my subtraction. How? I have to cancel 9 from the ones here. So I will cancel 9 from the ones. And from the tens, I want to cancel 5 tens. And in hundreds, I will cancel just 100. So the rest with me in the ones will be 5 in the ones, and in tens 2 tens, and in hundreds 200. So 384 minus 159 equals to 225 LE. Another example, 262 minus 128. I have to draw the place value money mat, and now I have to represent the big number, which here is 262. So I will draw in the ones 2 pounds, and in tens 6 tens, and in hundreds 200. Okay, I can't take 8 from 2, so I have to make regrouping. I will go to the tens, and I will take 1 10 from here and put it in the ones place as 10 ones. So all we have now in the ones will be 12 in the ones, 10 and the 2. And in the tens we have now 6? No, we have just 5. 5 tens here, and hundreds will be the same. So 200 here. Now I will begin my subtraction. I want to subtract 128. So in the ones I have to cancel 8 ones from here. So I will cancel 8 ones, and in tens I will cancel 2 tens, and in hundred just 100. So the rest with me will be in the ones 4 ones, and in tens 3 tens, and in hundreds 100. So 262 minus 128 equal to 134 LE. Subtracting using a place value money mat in the tens. Express each number with its place value money model. Then you will notice that you can take a bigger number away from a smaller number in tens place. So we will regroup. But remember, 10 tens equal 100. 10 tens equal to 100. Example, 425 minus 183. I have to make the place value money mat. And now I want to represent 424. This is the big number. So I will draw in the ones 5, and in tens 2 tens, and in hundreds 400. Okay, now I wanted to take from it 183. I can take 3 from the 5 ones, so no problem in that. But what about the tens? Can you take 8 tens from 2? No, it can be. So I have to make regrouping. How? Here, the regrouping here will be in the tens. So I will go to the hundreds, and I will take just 100 from here and put it in the tens place as 10 tens. Like that. Okay, this is what we have now. In a new table, all the ones we have now, 5 ones, and all the tens we have now. We have now 12 tens. And in 100, we have 4? No, we have 300, because we take 1 and put it in the tens place as 10 tens. Now I will begin subtracting. Now I have to cancel from the 5 ones 3, so I will cancel 3 from the ones, and from the tens I wanted to cancel 8. Now I can cancel 8, no problem in that. And in hundreds I want to cancel just 100 from here. So the rest with me will be in the ones 2 ones, and in tens we have now 4 tens, and in hundreds we have now 200. So 425 minus 183 equal to 242 LE. Another example, 108 LE minus 85 LE. As we said before, I will draw the place money mat, and I want to represent the big number 108. So I will draw in the 8 pounds, And in tens we have nothing, so will be here nothing, and in 100 just 100. Okay, I can take from the 8 5 to subtract 5 from the 8, no problem in that. But what about the tens? Can you take 8 from 0? It can be. So I will go to the hundreds and cancel 100 from here and put it in the tens place as 10 tens. Okay, this is what we have now. Let's see. In the ones now we have 8 ones. It is the same. And in tens we have now 10 tens. And in hundreds we have here nothing now. Now I will begin subtracting. I wanted to take 5 from 8 ones. So I can take it easily. No problem in that. And I can take 8 from 10. So I will take 8 from the tens. No problem in that. And in hundreds we have nothing here. So the rest with me will be in the ones now, 3 in the ones, and in tens, 2 tens. And in hundreds, nothing here. So 108 LE minus 85 equal to 23 LE. Another example, 619 LE minus 274 LE. First, I will draw the place value money mat for the big number, 1 for the big number and 1 for the answer. Now, I want to represent 619. So, in the ones place, I will draw 9 pounds. And in the tens place, I will draw just 1 10. And in hundreds place, I will draw 600. Okay, now if I begin my subtraction, 9 minus 4, 1 minus 1, so 9 minus 4 will be no problem in that because 9 is more than 4. I can take 4 from 9. But what about the tens? Can you take 7 from 1? No, it can be. So I have to make regrouping. How? I will go to the hundreds and I will take 100 from here. And I will put it in the tens place as 10 tens. Okay, so what we have now will be in the ones, 9 ones. And in tens, we have now 11 tens. And in hundreds, we have 6. No, we have 5. Because we take 1 and give it to the tens place. Okay, now I can begin my subtraction. No problem in that. Okay, so I will cancel from the 9, 4 ones. And from the 11 tens, now I can cancel 7, no problem. And in the hundreds, I will take from the 500s now 2. And the rest with me will be in the ones, 5 ones. And in tens, 4 tens. And in hundreds, 3 hundreds. So 619 minus 274 equal to 345 LE. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.